Today we are so excited to introduce Lyric and her new Malinois X puppies to the world. Unfortunately, she had one loss. The little white one did not make it through, but she had 3 boys and 1 beautiful female. She is doing a superb job being a mommy, tending, caring, and surprising us daily. It is such a beautiful gift to get to watch these little guys grow from the teeny tiniest to the mighty mightiest. As we are expecting another litter in a few days, there is more than enough love to go around. Come grow with us and check out every moment of these little guys' lives on our Puppy Chronicles here at Oasis Farms and Homestead.